रायट फ्रॉम माय चायल्डहूड आय स्टडीड इन सेंट फिलोमेनास. त्या टायमार तो म्हणजे क्रिकेट म्हळ्यार म्हणजे एक बारी पॅशन. आमी सांजेर इस्कालांत येवन सांजेर केदालाय क्रिकेट खेळटाले अंत एग्जाम आसूं दी 10th एग्जाम जाल्यार हांव क्रिकेट खेळनासतना नाटलो दीस ना. when he was at the age of 13 he started he played his first men's cricket. He played the seniors team and in the first match itself he got the man of the match. म्हजो पूत क्रिकेट आसल्यान I was involved in cricket very much. Every match my son used to play I used to go and watch. Dunes Cricket Academy म्हळ्यार आमी देखाय आमी we are all working members. Along with this we started this and all had passion for cricket. In Dubai if you talk many or anywhere they say compared to other academies they say Dunes Cricket training is more better than others. खंयच्यानय तुमचे इनवॉल्वमेंट ना जाल्यार you can't reach to the goal what you. आमच्यांत एक्सक्लुझिव्ह म्हाका एक गर्ल्स टीम फॉर्म करचे म्हूण एक म्हणजे एक पॅशन आनी आयडिया देखून एवरी वेनसडेज आमी चेडवांक फ्री कोचिंग दिता.